Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can easily change your server image in Discord. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click here on your Discord server, then go to left top corner on your, this is the name of your server. Let's go with the server settings. And here you're gonna select the server overview and you can easily change the icon. Now you just find what you want to change. Again, do this canon here. And you can increase the look and apply. Now just click here on send messages and voila, you got it. And now I can see that my server got nice looking picture. So again, server settings, and you just change it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions guys, ask in down below in the comments. Have a great day and goodbye.